Today I'm going to be looking at these peel and stick tile sheets. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the package and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send these to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the package, you are going to find 10 sheets of this diamond pattern Prussian blue 12 by 12 tile sheet. Now you can see that these are marked where you are supposed to overlap them with the next sheet. You can see that they do have kind of a raised texture to them. These do not require any grout because they are peel and stick. So they have a color here, a different color that actually mimics the grout lines. There are 3 layers to this. You have a backing layer, you have the tile sticky layer, and then you have a protective sheet on the top. So the only thing that you want to put on the wall is going to be your sticky back actual tile sheet. You'll pull the backing off first, and then you can pull this protective coating off of the front. Finally, I do want to mention that you can cut these to fit using scissors or a utility knife.